Now here is the most easiest way to remove your spark plug using an impact wrench. So this is the impact wrench I'm using. It's a Potter cable. It's a 20 watts one. I'm using a long arm axle with a 21 wrench. The first thing that you do is just number the ignition cable. So that's, I've already done that. Now I'm going to pull it, and when you pull it, just make sure that you pull it both together, the yellow and the blue together. So just pull that like that. There you go. And then use your impact wrench to remove the plug. There you go. Easy. Done. That's the old one. Just use the new one. Yep. We use the cloth to just clean off any debris or dust. All done. Now that's the new one. I'm going to put it back. So a few turns. I'm not going to fully use my hands. Yes, okay. There you go. Now I'm using the impact wrench to put it back as well. Yep. All done. It's less than a minute that it took to take it out and put it back.